if you've recently gone through security checks with Uber and need to restore your full access. Follow these steps to resolve the issue efficiently. Step 1. Verify your email. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged in with the account that is experiencing access issues. Step 3. Navigate the help section. In the app, go to the menu and select the help section. This area contains various options related to account issues and security checks. Step 4. Contact support. Find the option to contact Uber support. You may need to provide details about your account and the specific security checks you encountered. Be clear and concise in your explanation. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your email and app notifications for updates from Uber. If you do not hear back within a few days, consider following up with support for a status update. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Uber account after completing the necessary security checks. If you encounter further issues, do not hesitate to reach out to Uber support for additional assistance.